Alright everyone, welcome back. I have a 2018, actually Sherwin. We thank you, Sherwin-Williams. It had a broken tail light. This is the one that was from, it had the oil, mystery oil leak with the Pep Boys oil change sticker. You guys can, you can guess what happened. Yeah, so it had a little broken tail light assembly and it's all replaced, and I'm going to tell you how to do it. We had to get an OEM part because we couldn't get one locally. This is one day out from Ford. There's two 8mm screws, one there, one there, right there. So two 8mm. I did it because it has a lift gate with a specialty wrench. And then once you get the screws out, you'll see those screw holes right there and there. And then you have these male tabs that fit in female. Just slide the lens back. The Ford one came with new sockets and bulbs. Save these sockets and bulbs because I'll repurpose them for something else. Thanks for watching.